guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a closure wig. These are the bundles, so 3 bundles and a closure. The bundles are 24 inch and the closure is a 20 inch. These are from Ace London Hair. You can purchase this on the website www.acelondonhair.com. So I'll put that up for you in the description box. So yeah, let's get to the colour. We're doing a mint green ombre. It's actually the Bella wig, but it's in the closure. So let's go. As you can see, this is a colour without any in the natural light, so I just wanted you guys to have a look at that. Back again. So these are the colours that I use from Adore. So we got Jade, Sweet Mint and Emerald. So these are the colours that I will be using to dye the hair, and I'm also going to be using conditioner. That's how I dye. It just makes the colour more pastel-y, and it just makes it easier for me to control the blend of the ombre. And here I just got my little brushes and comb. So let's go. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use some conditioner. Pour that in. I'm probably going to need more, but for now it's fine. And then we're going to use the Sweet Mint Adore colour, and we're just going to pour some of the colour in like so. And then what we do is we just mix it in, so you can see that the colour is now like a pastelish colour. So it's turned like a pastel green now. Because it's by itself, if you put the Sweet Mint on the hair, it will be like a bit more rich. So what I do is I mix it like that. You can see the colour, yeah. And then all we do is we just apply it to the hair. And as you can see, guys, all I'm doing is just applying the dye to the hair. Again, just making sure that all the colour is saturated and there's no blonde parts. But I will go over and do the back part separately. So as you can see, guys, you just make sure it's all covered. I've turned it around, it's on the back as well, so it's all done, both sides. So similar to what we've done before, we're going to put more conditioner in, and this time we're going to put in the colour Jade. So we're just going to squeeze that in and mix that in. You can see that looks like more of a bluey colour. See that? And then we're literally just going to start applying that. So guys, once you've put your second colour on, you just blend it through. Make sure that it's nicely blended. So you can see the transition of the two colours. And the next step is emerald. It's the last colour. And for the emerald, I don't actually put any conditioner on. I just put it onto the hair, as rich as it is. And as you can see, so guys, that's one bundle done. We're just going to repeat the same process with this second bundle. I'm going to do that off camera and I'll show you after. So this is the second bundle dyed, guys. So now we have both bundles dyed. Just brush it out. So guys, as you can see, I've nearly finished, but I'm really trying to make sure that all the blonde parts are saturated with colour, so we're not missing anything. So you really have to go back in and just make sure that everything has been coloured, because you don't want, like, when it's on your wig, the tracks, like some, you know, some blonde bits are there. Can you see how saturated that is with colour? Like how bright that looks. Looks good, right? Literally saturated, no blonde parts, and that's with the emerald. So that was no conditioner, just the emerald. So guys, we're going to do the closure now. Similar, we put the conditioner in, the colour, and mix it in, and we're just going to repeat the same process that we did with the bundles, but I just put it on the wig head so that it's easier and I can kind of gauge how far the colour comes down. So guys, as you can see, I've now coloured the top part. The ends are still blonde. Just going to apply the second colour, which is the Jade. And I'm just going to gauge about here and put it on. And you just kind of blend it out, so you can already see it looks a little bit darker. So you just gauge for where you want the colour. So I want it about here. So I'm just gonna blend it in with my hands. and already you can see the transition. And for the end, we just add the emerald to the end, the very end, and I usually just literally directly apply it to the end because I don't put conditioner on this part. So guys, this is the finished colour. Same. So we're gonna wash it off. So guys, this is the colour after it's come out. So this is the first bundle. That's the emerald. That is the first ombre one. Second ombre one, and then the closure. As you can see, it just blends. So now I'm just going to make the wig, guys, and then I'll update you. Hi guys, this is the finished product. I've now made the whole wig.